Can you believe it? With just a few clicks, you can create your very own children's book and sell it online to make money. Sounds like a joke, right? But the tool Nano Banana from Google Gemini, newly launched, has made it a reality. And true to its name, it's quick and sweet to use. What is Nano Banana? In short, Nano Banana is an AI tool for generating and editing images. The best part? It doesn't just create single images. It can actually generate a whole book complete with illustrations and text in just seconds. For example, simply type, "Create a 10-page children's book about a horse," and boom, a few seconds later, you've got a mini storybook about a horse saying hello to the world. First, open Nano Banana and pick a fun, kid-friendly theme. Maybe a smiling horse, a colorful school of fish, or even a gang of dinosaurs heading off to preschool. Nano Banana will generate both the illustrations and the text so fast that you'll have a ready-made mini storybook before you even finish your coffee. Once you have the content, bring everything into Canva. Just choose a square children's book template, drag and drop each page, and remove any extra text. In minutes, you'll transform a set of random images into a polished children's book that looks like it came from a professional designer. When your design is ready, export it as a PDF and put it up for sale. You can upload directly to Etsy or Amazon KDP. The best part is that it's a digital book. Customers simply download it after paying. No printing, no shipping, and every sale goes straight to your pocket. And to make your book stand out in the crowded online marketplace, don't forget to ask ChatGPT to come up with a catchy title and an SEO-friendly description. Instead of a plain title like Horse Storybook, why not go with something eye-catching like Kids Horse Adventure, a fun and colorful children's storybook about a brave little horse? Sounds way more exciting and clickable, right? That's it. From idea to images to a complete book to a product ready to sell, all in just a few minutes. What used to take months can now be done with a few clicks thanks to AI. So here's the question. Are you just going to sit there, or are you ready to start making money with Nano Banana today?